So next, that last pin on the left is going to be PWMA. PWMA is going to go to 10. So that's going to go 8, 9, 10. Then next to that is AN2. AN2 is going to go to 9. And then finally on the left side of the motor driver, we're going to have AN1. AN1 is going to go to 8. All right, we're all done with the left side of the motor driver and all the connections to the microcontroller. Now on this other side, we just need to connect our 2 motors, and then we're going to start writing code. All right, Bark, I hope you're still following along. Please leave me a message and let me know how you're doing. So notice that the word Lilybot is at the front of the robot. So the word Lilybot is right there. That means this is the left motor, that's the robot's left, and this is the right motor, that's the robot's right. So the left motor is going to be connected to motor A, and we're just going to put red on the left, black on the right. And the right motor is going to be connected to motor B. That's going to be red on the left and black on the right. If when you write the code, you find the robot's not moving the correct way, forward, back, or reverse, or whatever, you just reverse the red and the black. All right, so left motor, motor A, right motor, motor B, and we're now ready to go write the code.